We wake before the sun, and the world is already roaring. Machines, engines, hammers and drills. The day begins before our strength does. We push, we lift, we dive. We sweat, we risk our lives so someone else can see the results. Factories, warehouses, oceans, steel mills, mines, construction sites, highways, our bodies take the hits. Our hearts carry the load, and when the end of the day comes, we ask ourselves,
yeah, glad it's finally over.
Why do we work so long? Only to live a few years of freedom. Why do we hand our lives to a system that says wait, while our bones ache and our time slips away? The factories, the roaring presses never pause. Men in their 50s, 60s, worn by relentless shifts, breathing metal dust, odor, smoke. Their years shaved off by each grind. Studies say manufacturing men live only into their mid-60s to early 70s. Still they keep going. Still they give more. In warehouses stacked to the ceiling, we lift and run until our joints give out back injuries. Heart strain, exhaustion, companions that never quit. Many never see retirement, slipping away in their 60s or earlier. Averages hang around 65, 68 years for warehouse workers. Deep beneath the waves, commercial divers descend into darkness. Every dive a gamble, decompression stops. Nitrogen narcosis, underground pipelines, treacherous currents. Only a few make it home day after day. Some die in their 30s or 40s, and the lucky ones survive into the 60s. Steelworkers blazing in foundries, miners tunneling through rock. The heat, the blast, the toxic dust, chronic lung disease, heart strain, injuries, stealing decades. Life expectancy, low 60s to early 70s. Construction workers swinging hammers, climbing scaffolding, truck drivers rolling endless miles. Diesel fumes in their lungs, one misstep, one accident, one heart attack. Life taken before its time. Oil riggers on the platforms, rain and wind cutting deep. Sanitation workers, paramedics giving every ounce of sweat for little glory. Underground utility workers, welders, linemen, risk hiding in every shadow, every spark. Everybody paying their dues with blood and bones, yet the law says you'll retire later, not now. We pour our sweat into the system, taxes, pensions, contributions, but when the time comes, they tell us you must wait. 62, 65, 67, they say, while our bones ache, while our hearts strain, we deserve retirement.
I'm sorry, sir.
Real rest, real life, real years. Let us retire in our 40s or 50s if we've earned it. Let the ones who didn't work wait.
Tired yet? You must wait until you are 62.
The pressmen, the welders, the divers, the miners, the drivers, the them squeeze our blood last. We gave our youth, our bodies, our time, all for a fleeting taste of the life we should have had. The lucky few who make it past 60 get only a glimpse of freedom, a few years of laughter, a few sunsets. Let us finally live the years we've given, not 1, 2, maybe 3, but full decades of rest, love, laughter, peace. We earned it with sweat, with pain, with heart. Let the sister remember that labor built the world, and it's time the years we gave finally belong to us.